Very recently, I went on a spree of trying AI products, and every time I found a new product which was quite interesting that I could try it out, I started recording my experiences of trying that product out. And recently, I came across this InVideo AI. I think InVideo has been around for a while. I know few people who are working there, but I think InVideo AI is completely new, and so I wanted to try it out, what it is exactly. This is their homepage, and what I can see is welcome to InVideo AI. I do not remember if I have ever signed up on InVideo, but this is interesting. Idea to social ad video, idea to slideshow video, idea to YouTube video. That's the headline that says something about from an idea converted to the video directly. I'm guessing that's the promise here. So with InVideo AI, you can turn any content or idea into video instantly. Nice. Now, in order to try it out, I have to sign in. Generally, I do not like this approach. I prefer to test out a little bit before signing in, but I can imagine most products would want to do the sign up first. So let's go ahead and do it. Perfect. So I just used Google sign in option and I landed on the screen. The URL says slash onboard. So I'm guessing this is the onboarding time. And they have just a quick one. Okay. How did you discover InVideo AI? It's through a friend or a colleague. Someone actually had commented on one of the LinkedIn posts I had done. And so this is how I came to know. So continue. So if you had second question, then the first one shouldn't be quick one. Should have been just how did you find out? One last thing, okay? What best describes your reason for using InVideo AI? Filmmaking and documentaries, business marketing, academic research, client services. Yeah, I'll just go with content creation. I don't like this UI select after selection. So the tick mark is way away from this content creation. So it almost looks like I have selected F instead of E. So somehow this proximity thing is not working. Continue. Welcome to InVideo AI. What should we call you? Yeah, just call me Maria. Your first ever InVideo workspace deserves a fun name. Yeah, I'm very fun loving person. So I'm just going to call it Maria's workspace. And so we say continue. All right. Give me a topic and detailed instructions. So as I screen this page, if I were to take a moment here, I can see that there is a model which is premium AI. I do not know what that means if I say model. Um, there's an option to upgrade. There's an option to clone my voice, which I'm guessing is part of paid plan because of the icons. Workflows, YouTube Explainer, YouTube Shorts, Explore All. Let's try creating one video here. Give me a topic. So create a video on how to make an omelette with detailed recipe. Now, the prompt had a placeholder text saying that you also need to give detailed instructions. So I want to see what it would do if my prompt is only one line like this. And then maybe I can go and revise it. So let's say generate video. All right, it is analyzing. And while it is analyzing, I can see around where I can create new and I can upgrade. I appreciate the while it's in progress, it's telling things what it is doing. Okay, so title is Master the Art of Omelette Making. Interesting. And is probably preparing my video. So I think it took about close to a minute since I gave that. So now it's asking me the audience. So audience is foodies, home cooks. Let's go for home cooks. And look and feel. I want it to be bright, clean, professional. Let's go for bright. I don't know what it will actually do. And platform is YouTube. Let's stick with YouTube and continue. I like the animation there. The little fish is doing a spotlight on the video. So this might take few minutes. That's my, you get a license for the stock media used at export. Okay. And then it has an option to regenerate if I'm not liking it. And it has an option for history. All right. So far, so good. Um, I like this extra element. They have used their brand logo, which is a fish. It's a fish. Looks like a fish, but also an heart. So not sure. Also looks like a heart. So not sure. 5% of the video is ready, generating the script. Now, one thing I like here is they have been keeping me engaged on the screen. So now it's saying whisking the eggs, sauteing the veggies, adding media tracks. So they are creating this scene by scene. So one out of two of seven scenes are ready, and then there's a final touch happening. Four of seven scenes are ready, and then seven is ready. So I think this is a very good way of keeping your audience engaged, even though you may not be doing all of those things sequentially. So it doesn't matter whether you actually did this gathering ingredient step before whisking the eggs, but the fact that it keeps you engaged is nice. And so now here we have it again. It took about 2 minutes time, and this is the output so far. I have an option of, it's a 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes long video, currently previewing in 480p. You can export in HD. Sounds good. And let's just see. The first three sentences sounded very, very artificially generated, and it kept getting better with each passing second. I do not know if this is a common phenomenon in AI generated videos. The language is a bit too colorful for me. I don't know if there is a setting for it. If I'm making an omelette, I don't know if I want to sell it that hard. This is amazing. So they have already taken in all the stock images. They have generated a how-to video, which is a tutorial video, which is also amazing. I think with the prompt, the video will get much more sharper and detailed and precise. And what I'm noticing now is I don't know if the language can be controlled, meaning the script itself, and how can I edit the script. But we'll figure that out. So far, the quality is awesome. So let's look at what are the editing options here. And I can edit the script, which is brilliant. And if you notice here, like I mentioned, right? So imagine biting into the fluffy golden omelette. It's an omelette. I'd rather get to the point, but that is up to me as a video creator on how much control do I want on the script here. So I can definitely change this and edit this. I love this. Edit media. I could upload my own. Um, uh, the screens here are feels like someone has created this product in a very short time. So, for example, upload media for a company that is working on video software like this. These are small things that tend to get you a little bit uncomfortable. So, I would have designed the screen much better, or have the designer do it better job. But this is so far okay. I have an option to edit transcript, so that's good. I have an option to edit media, and let's see if I can do it. Ideal duration 7 out of 19 seconds. Okay. I will need to spend a bit more time on this one. Let's see what are my export options. I'm guessing this is all paid. So select type of watermarks. If I want no watermarks, it requires a paid plan, of course. And I could do in 1080p, so that's good. I could go for AI branding, so there's no cost there. I could do watermarks. Let's try this out without any branding here, right? So now it's trying to export. So far, the impression of this tool, it's doing the job with very minimal instruction in the prompt. It managed to create a very good quality video. The other aspect of making the video tune into your expectations is something that you would have to do editing for. I do not know how the editing experience is there in InVideo AI, but if you're able to generate, let's say, bulk of your work through AI, then the remaining part may not be as jarring as a job. So should be probably fine. Now it's rendering the video. Okay, here's something that I have to appreciate about InVideo AI is that it does not keep you on a completely blank screen while it is doing the process. So it's saying it's rendering, but then it also gave me an option to play around with. So for a person for me who is constantly fiddling, if I have to stare at a blank screen for longer than 2 seconds, I get very fidgety. So I need to have things moving around on my screen or something on the screen. So this is great. So let's see what else can I do. Can I download this? I can, and I think it's can download it, and I think it's a brilliant tool in that sense. It's for someone who wants to get started with YouTube. There are a lot of people who cannot get comfortable with the camera, and so it's easy to share your knowledge despite having to do this. The range of use cases for in video AI can be pretty wide. So you can have you as a company could create content like tutorials especially. So this is one of the examples of creating a tutorial. And so I just checked the downloaded file. It works perfectly. And although I did, with watermarks, I think you could upgrade to this and see. Now, speaking of upgrade, let's see their upgrading options. It's free for anyone who wishes to try AI video creation. Okay. 10 minutes per week. Yeah. Of AI generation. Okay. 10 GB storage. No voice clone, but this is fine. And it's then $20 per month. Um, is it per user? I'm not sure. But I think $20, but with 50 minutes and 80 per month I stock. Yeah, it's so I think it's a trade-off. So you get some sort of convenience with this product. And the other thing on the other side, you have to pay for this licensed content because they are using the licensed content at the end of the day. And so I think overall this tool is pretty impressive. I'm glad I tried it. I want to give it another shot and see what else can I do with this. If you have used any other tool like this, which is similar to InVideo AI and has done a brilliant job in creating videos from a single prompt, do let me know. I would like to explore them as well. That's all for this video.